Recently, Verify 3D scanned 4 Head Start schools in Nashville. In the text of our article, we explain how the city is using laser scanning to save money and improve the quality of construction. In this video, you'll see some of the data we collected. We scanned the buildings using the faster grayscale instead of the slower full color function, so you may wonder why some of the images are colored. We can color code each measurement point based on various characteristics of the data to discover information otherwise invisible. You'll see some shadow-like figures of the staff. We usually remove them, but left them in to show that laser scanning can be done without vacating the building. You'll also notice that the images of the Berry Head Start School appear to have been taken from a drone or helicopter. Not so. Our equipment never left the ground. This is one of the wonders of trigonometry. Since each point is fully measured, we can create images from any virtual point of view. If you'd like a personal explanation or demonstration of the ways laser scanning can help you, give us a call. Area code 406-780-0798. Or click the link. Thanks for watching.